What's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a good Monday. Mine was okay. This is my first trade on the new My Funded Futures Eval. My first trading day, rather. So, break it down for you guys. What I saw, what I did, and I welcome any kind of criticism or advice you may have. So, I think overall, the chart's looking pretty bullish, or had been looking pretty bullish. We were pulling back on the daily into this kind of key area, I think is the rollover date. And I had on my 1 hour chart these couple trend lines marked out. I had this downtrend that started mid last week that I was trading on, and this new kind of 1 hour uptrend that formed overnight. And so that was my kind of, I use trend lines to sort of keep my place on the chart, so to say. What I was looking for was price had a big move up overnight and during the London session. A lot of volume and momentum there. And the only real level that's stopping us from reaching all-time highs, I think, is well, there wasn't one really. We had to break through this key area here to push towards all-time highs. So my thesis for the day was we were going to be bullish. What I wanted to see was price pull back into this area of liquidity, which it never did, but there was this other area here that formed on the 15-minute chart that it did tap into. From there, it just kind of rocketed skywards. Once we broke back above the 5-minute range, I was looking for longs. Once we reclaimed the 1 hour trend line, I was very bullish on this move. What ended up happening next was an immediate retest on the 2-minute chart of the 15-minute high. And so I took that entry and I was looking for 2R and continuation. I thought maybe today could have been an all-time high kind of day. I didn't realize that Trump was speaking this morning, so a little oversight on my part. But anyway, took that entry. The name moved in my favor. I accidentally reversed my position like a bonehead. I don't know what I was thinking. I had, I'm not unfamiliar with TradingView, but I clicked that little reverse icon, just not even thinking, wondering what it was. I knew what it was, but I momentarily forgot. And so took some profit, then I reversed it again immediately, took a little more profit. So it was kind of a lucky accident. Then we just kind of bounced along, hit one of my first profit target here and moved my stop up to kind of break even level. And then it reversed on me, stopped me out. I took a small loss on that trade. But I saw here on this candle just a really nice, clean bounce off my trend line. And so on that candle closure, I re-entered the position and took it right here where this candle kind of started to turn white. It did turn white, this doji. I closed the position. By this point, I knew that Trump was speaking, and I didn't really like that hesitation at this level. So closed the trade, walked away on the day with a small win, about $100, and followed all my rules, did great. I feel I did great. So anyway, that's my trade. I'm wondering if anybody else took a trade on NQ today. And yeah, let me know what I could have done better. I'm sure there's plenty. All right, see ya.